their timeline as well.
Okay. Are we looking at 2018?
No, Judge. I'm ready to try this at the end of the year, but I know the defense would like some additional time.
Well, because of the fact that it's taken, 2 months to do 5 items, you've got 30 items. That's
Right.
12 to 14 months.
And here's right. I understand, Judge, and I understand the frustration. If we get a trial date, I know that puts everything on a fast track because they know there's a deadline. They know that they have to get some stuff done.
How about if I set trial for March 1st?
Fine with me.
Would that get them going?
It's fine with me, Judge. Maybe set it tomorrow.
We could set a non-firm trial date. We just don't have to let them know it's non-firm, right?
It's one option.
Okay. Well, we might have to get creative. All right. Is there any issues from defense perspective that I need to address or we need to put on the record? Yeah, here's what I intend on doing, Mr. Davidson. As soon as you and Mr. McCowan review the issue regarding Detective Slayton and make a determination, if it appears that I will remain on the case, then what I'll do is I'll just probably get counsel on the phone for about a 5-minute. Let's get our calendars out and look at what we need to do for the motion to remand and the conditions of release hearing, and just set the dates for those. Okay. Mr. Barker, are you okay with that?
That would work, yeah, thank you.
Any issues from the state's perspective that need to be brought before the court we need to address?
Not at this time, thank you.
Okay. All right, and I also want to say for the record that Mr. Jones' presence was waived for this proceeding. Mr. McCowan, Mr. Davidson, I'm a little hesitant to do this because it's kind of an open-ended date, depending on how the issue with Detective Slayton works out. But are you willing to waive time to the next proceeding? And that would be the next earliest proceeding. And I don't know what that would be. It might be the conditions release hearing. It might be the hearing on the motion to remand. Yeah, I know, and that's I would imagine that we could, if the conditions of release hearing is going to take no more than basically half a day, I would imagine that we could probably get that in towards the end of February. I started trial, a malpractice case in what's the 18th? 17th. And that's scheduled to go for about 8 days. So that brings us up to about the 25th or so, and then maybe towards the end of February. So the problem is we're at the 21st, and I don't want to try and rush you in terms of trying to get something set for the second week of February. If we can't get it towards the end of February, then we're looking probably around the first week of March. Hold on one second. Carrie's here. Have another trial? How long is that? So we finish up here with that melted. Well, counsel, the only thing that I've got, it looks like, I'm doing back-to-back trials starting the 17th, and then I go through this APS. Then I start another trial the first week of March. That goes till March 11th. That's right. I mean, just not do it.
Does that mean the end of February is still open, Judge?
The end of February is looking tight, because I start that one trial, that civil trial, on the 16th, 17th, and then I go to the end. I go right to February 26th, 27th, and 28th of the weekend. Then I pick right back up with another civil case for another 2 trial weeks, and that's supposed to end on March 11th. I don't know if counsel have children or whatever, but spring break at least could possibly roll into March 14th. It might be on that, so that doesn't impact me. It doesn't impact, it may not impact anyone. But is that Mr. McCowan? Okay, Mr. Davidson. Okay. Sure. That's probably that's got to be settled first before we even talk about it. So we start setting dates for hearings. Okay. I'll wait to hear from counsel regarding the conflict issue and possible recusal, and then as soon as I get the notification, then I'll get on the phone and talk to counsel. Does that work for defense? And for state?
It does, thank you.
All right. Okay. All right, gentlemen, we'll go ahead and stand adjourned.
Yes, sir.